Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Sun Valley, Antipolo City to show you this multi-level modern Asian home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation nitong property, facing west dito sa harapan, and at the back is facing east. So you have this unblocked view doon sa likuran together with your infinity pool. Well, hintayin nyo makarating tayo doon, no? So for this facade, what I like in this house is lots of natural contrast, no? With the materials installed, especially dito on the left side, you have this adobe claddings with some plants to add some, alam nyo na, no? Natural texture to the space. It complements well with your vertical blinds, which also adds some privacy and shade dun sa second level nyo during in the afternoon. You also have this cobblestone flooring dito sa inyong 3 to 4 vehicle carport, well, depending on the size of your vehicle, with your automated shade dito sa inyong parking. Okay, so tira natin, we have this remote. So this is automated. Okay, so habang bumubukas yung ating shade, on the left side, you have this kind of feature, your water feature, going down to your koi pond. Ang immediately no mararamdaman mo is very close to nature. Itong bahay na ito, no? So you have this koi pond, an island with your kalachuchi. Napakagandang tignan, no? It had some, alam nyo na yung positive vibe before you enter dito sa inyong main door. Yung tunog, no? Ang ganda. Very relaxing. And yan. You have your covered 3 to 4 vehicle carport. And on this side, you have the access going to your utility area and an access going to your plunge pool. So you have your security gate. And excuse me lang na medyo madumi pa yung lugar natin in this space. Itong inyong service area with your auxiliary kitchen, the room for your staff, and the laundry area. Papasok tayo dun sa property. So you have itong inyong pathway or walkway going to your main door. On the left side, mapapansin nyo naman itong inyong perimeter fence with, again, natural texture to the space. I really like itong mga plant box na nilagay nila, no? Napaka-welcoming vibe. Ganon din with your plant box on this side. You also have the security gate going again directly to your swimming pool. So this is your main door. Your huge main door with pivot hinge. Kaya mag-ang gamitin, no? Kahit napakalaki nito. It adds some grandeur vibe before you enter together with your Havel modern door lock. Pasok tayo, and welcome to your home. So upon entering from your main door, no? So you have that commanding view of your living, your dining, and your kitchen area. Immediately, mararamdaman mo yung lots of texture to the space. Walang dead space in every corner of this house. Talagang well-designed, well-built, and well-lit, no? Through your floor-to-ceiling accordion sliding doors and huge windows. Ang ganda ng natural light in this space. Ang ganda rin ng cross ventilation. So you have your foyer, and let's go down here. Ayan, so 3 steps down, going here sa inyong receiving or living space. Again, with this property na parang well-connected ka sa nature, especially you have this kind of materials na very high-end, very sturdy. So, speaking of, these accordion sliding doors came from other country pa like Germany, no? These are double glazed glass. Well, the advantage ito mga double glazed glass windows with, in terms of insulation, it has 70% insulation with noise. So, may noise material reduction siya. So, kunyari man may maingay na construction, hindi nyo rinig dito sa loob ng bahay. Ganon din with the temperature. So, hindi mabilis lumabas yung lamig from your AC at hindi mabilis pumasok yung init coming from outside. So, you have this kind of material. Napakaganda, no? You can also notice with our flooring, these are imported stone. Again, hindi nyo makikita to sa market, which the advantage of this property talagang hindi siya common. And the scarcity ng material na nilagay nila dito talagang napakababa, and it also drives or talagang tinataas din yung value nitong property because of the materials installed, especially with the layout din, no? Well, one of the advantage of these accordion sliding doors, if you have parties with you, pwede nyo itong buksan. So you have your endless transition from indoor to outdoor. Ayan. So imagine you have lots of visitors in this property. You have this entire space. Ayan. Napakaganda, di ba? So parang you already extend your indoor going to outdoor. So you have that endless transition. Imagine ganun din to in this space. So if you prefer yung instant alfresco in this area, ayan. So you can already experience while protected kayo from outside elements, no? Again, you're connected with the nature in this property. You have this side garden. So ito yung continuation coming from your service gate going here. Going back with the materials installed for the flooring, rough textured imported stone or tiles. By the way, you have your split type AC in this area, and you can also notice yung mataas na high ceiling with your cove ceiling design and provision for your chandelier. 3 steps up, ito naman yung magiging dining area ninyo, and it can easily fit your 8-seater dining table in this space. Again, you have this kind of view at the back of the property, and very perfect itong itsura or the layout of this space because this is facing east na. Okay, so this is facing east. So you have the unblocked view nitong inyong mountain. Ayan. Napakaganda, no? Well, ang ganda ng ventilation in this property. Talagang non-stop yung hangin because of the elevation. So this is a downhill property, and at the back is mas mababa yung kalsada itong Sun Valley. And you have this kind of feature, itong inyong plunge pool area or your lap pool. In this space naman, you can also maximize or utilize this area with your friends or relatives. By the way, for the flooring, WPC or wood plastic composite, mixture of plastic fibers and wood elements. The advantage is napakatibay niya, no? Especially in outdoor spaces. With this property talagang, alam nyo, no? While doing this house tour, in this property, bihira lang yung nagmimit yung the functionality and aesthetic. Talagang bihira lang mag-meet yan. But with this property, talagang nagtagpo sila. And imagine the result of the craftsmanship nung gumawa nito. Napakaganda. And with the experience, talagang alam nila yung gagawin nila. Okay, so coming from your dining, your kitchen. So from your main kitchen, lots of counter space for your food preparation. You have your island counter, and you can utilize this space as your breakfast nook. We already have your kitchen stools. Ay, ang ganda, no? And by the way, mapapansin nyo rin itong kanilang counter with this quartz finish. Again, bihira ka lang makakita ng ganitong type of quartz. Although this is man-made quartz, ang ibig sabihin is madali i-repair, kung may gas-gas man, madali i-polish, and ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng texture. Add some contrast to the space. You also have your under-mounted sink in this side, on this side of the counter with your hanging lights. And of course, it also comes with this base cabinet. So these are modular with your drawers for your cutleries. Soft close drawers, ganun din with your cabinets. And on this side naman, you have your integrated appliances. Itong inyong 5 gas burners, your oven, and your range hood. Ganon din with the backsplash. Napakaganda nung nilagay nilang quartz. It adds some natural contrast or texture. The location or your 2-door refrigerator. Okay, and by the way, you have your split type AC for this space. And if you have additional appliances, no, for example, yung mga rice cookers ninyo, you also have some privacy for that by your accent wall or a sliding door. Ayan. So you have your appliance cabinet. So hindi makikita dito yung mga personal appliances na ginagamit nyo, no? So you have again your bar or your countertop with your backsplash. You also have your etong inyong drawer for your cutleries or utensils. And of course, mas madali mag-organize ng inyong canned goods or dry goods dito sa inyong floor-to-ceiling cabinet para dito sa inyong pantry. Ganoon din dito sa itaas, no? Okay, medyo silaw lang. So you have your access going here dito sa side, sa right side of the property. Ito yung access nyo going to your swimming pool. The access dito naman sa inyong service area. So for the laundry, after the laundry, this is the perfect spot for the drying area ninyo. At least you have some privacy at hindi rin makikita ng mga bisita, no? Okay, so we're almost done here, no, dito sa inyong ground level. By the way, we have itong inyong bedroom 1. So if you have elderlies with you and gusto nila kasama sila sa focal point nitong property, we have this space for them. So kasya-kasya dito yung inyong queen or king size bed, no? Huge window for your proper ventilation and natural light. Facing dito sa inyong koi pond, no? Your seamless design cabinet, floor to ceiling, or almost floor to ceiling. Ang ganda na walang awkward space on either side. And ang ganda rin ng texture. So this is modular cabinet. Kaya ang ganda ng kanyang finish. You also have this sliding door para space saver going to your toilet and bath. Your sink with your vanity mirror and your wood counter for your preparation space, your water closet, and your shower space with an, alam nyo na, ganda tingnan. And even with the archway dito sa inyong shower space, that's some texture, no? Ganda ng space. For the flooring, this is SPC or PVC, pero for flooring, what the advantage is, hindi ito nagwa-warp kapag nababasa. So, ganda rin nung kanilang nilagay dito for the flooring. You also have your split type AC. And ito naman yung inyong common toilet and bath, which is nakalink dito sa inyong bedroom 1. Ito yung dinaanan natin kanina. Ayan, your sliding door. Okay. So we have your vanity cabinets. Ganon din dito para sa mga toiletries ninyo. Under the stairs. So para walang dead space in this property, talagang fully maximized lahat. Okay, so by the way, you have your pipe-in speakers to set up the mood, no? Your stairs. So let's go up dito sa inyong second floor, dito sa inyong private areas like your bedrooms. For the flooring or dito sa inyong stairs with end risers, solid wood yung kanilang ginamit. Ganon din with your handrails and your panel boards, which is add some, alam nyo, yung warm vibe, no? Warm and cozy vibe upon going here dito sa inyong mga bedrooms. Lots of natural light coming from your fixed window on the left side of the property. Again, ganda ng view with your plants. So here's the second floor. We have 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. Pero unahin muna natin itong inyong balcony dito sa second level. Again, for the flooring, WPC or wood plastic composite. You also have the mountain view. Ito yung kanina ko pang hina-highlight from the pool pa lang. Ang ganda, no? So possibly hindi kayo ma-block na magtatayo dito in the future kasi ang baba nung kanilang lot, and it also has a deed of restriction sa subdivision. So malabo kayo ma-block in this space. You also have for the ceiling, again, pipe-in speakers. So kunyari man you have your visitors with you here. You have your CCTV camera, exposed beam finish with wood panels installed, at some, again, warm and cozy vibe together with your pin lights installed. Again, for the flooring dito sa second floor, SPC with wood grain design. And ito yung inyong master bedroom or your bedroom 2. You have this huge door para sa mas malalaking furnitures ninyo. Your accent wall para dito sa magiging headboard or the location of your mattress in this space. So kunyari man you have your king size bed or custom size bed kasha in this area. Your huge split type AC. Let's close this door. This will be the location ng inyong media wall or your television set. We have the space with your electric outlets for your CCTV cameras then. And in this space, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng inyong couch and center table. By the way, you have provision para sa inyong chandelier. And especially dito sa master bedroom, you have this access. Your tempered glass. Again, the view na pinunta nyo rito, no, sa Antipolo. Again, double glazed glass pa rin for their sliding door dito sa inyong master bedroom. And by the way, dito sa accent... Char! Okay, so tinan natin itong kabila. Okay, so talaga nakapagbiro pa, no? Okay, so you have an access going here dito sa inyong walk-in closet and of course your master toilet and bath through your 2 doors which are parang naka-camouflage, no? Okay, so we have itong inyong spacious counter for your preparation space with your vanity cabinet. For the counter, quartz finish. Ganda nung kanilang nilagay dito as the backsplash or accent wall together with your vanity mirrors and accent light. Napaka-elegante tingnan, no? In front, itong inyong water closet, your bathtub, and the shower space with rainfall type na shower head. Lots of natural light coming from your huge window. Well, pwede nyo lagyan ng blinds kung hindi kayo comfortable na gamitin ito with this plain window, no? Anyway, you have your accent or accent wall, no? Dito sa labas. Pero if you want yung blinds and curtains, meron kayong paglalagyan for the bars. Okay, so ito yung inyong magiging shower space. Ganda nung ginawa nila in this area, no? Okay, so ang story nitong dalawang magkabilang doors, syempre pagbaba nyo from your king size bed, madali mag-access si sir or si ma'am. Ito yung inyong walk-in closet. So these are modular again. By the way, the material used is marine plywood para din sa inyong modular. Well, the advantage is hindi nasisira yan because of moisture coming from your hot shower or hot bathtub. And ito naman yung kabila. Okay. Tignan naman natin yung inyong bedroom 3. Okay. So for the bedroom 3, the location of your king size bed. Ang ganda, no? Kasi nakalubog itong space na ito. Talagang ang ganda ng walkway nila going to your balcony or dito sa inyong cabinet. You also have the location of your television set. And then access to your balcony. Ito yung kaninang additional natural texture to the space dito sa facade. So it also adds some shade or privacy dito sa harapan ng property. Up to here. So you have your L-shaped balcony Ayan. You have your transom window, so lots of natural light. And by the way, in this space, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng inyong magiging, again, your couch and center table or the anteroom. Wow. Napakaluwag ng kanilang toilet and bath. No? Ganda, no? So you have your spacious shower space, your water closet, your under-mounted sink with quartz counter, and your vanity cabinet. Ganda rin natural light in every corner of this house. And by the way, you have your split type AC. So kunyari man, no, wala kayong time mag-design and you're looking for a property, well, this is might be the best property for you. And speaking of, the area is Antipolo. We have the signal, no? Phone signal, 5G kanina yung gamit ko. So, you can have both worlds. Kunyari man, you have your kids na nag-homeschool or work from home. At least, you have the nature and still, you have the connection sa internet, di ba? So, ito yung inyong magiging either queen or king size bed in this space. Well, pwede kayo mamili. The flexibility of this property, we have these outlets para sa inyo, no? Well, depende kung paano nyo gusto. Or maybe here. Ayan, you have outlets on either side of these walls. Again, mapapansin nyo ang taas ng inyong ceiling. Again, your transom window which adds additional natural light to the space. And again, your sliding door with your double glazed glass. These are high-grade aluminum. Your floor-to-ceiling cabinet. Again, ang ganda nung location, walang awkward space. Your counter, again, spacious pa rin, no? Under-mounted sink with your vanity. The shower space. Very grand yung design, ang ganda. And your water closet. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new house for sale located here in Sun Valley, Antipolo City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.